guys, what's up and welcome to this IVE, Baddie, and off-the-record upper body toning dance workout specifically focused on toning those arms and those abs. If you want more workouts just like this, be sure to check out my Patreon right up here. We have dedicated 20-minute dance workout mashups that focus specifically on hitting that upper body, those arms, those abs, and specific workouts for your legs. Before we get started, this workout is sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands that I have been raving about for a long time now. Dossier makes affordable alternatives to high-end luxury perfumes. Think your Tom Ford, Chanel, etc. If you guys have seen my past videos featuring Dossier, you'll probably notice that the box looks a little different here, and that's because I'm very excited to announce that Dossier just released their special aromatherapy collection that has 3 perfumes specifically focused on very nice clean scents that also have aromatherapy components to really brighten up your mood. So without further ado, this is Dossier's wellness collection, and in here I have the Sage and Black Tea Renew scent. Here it is, guys. Very sleek, chic bottle design as always. This one smells very aromatic, really woody. You can definitely smell those hints of sage and black tea, and it just feels really rejuvenating all around. The best part about Dossier is that they're super affordable. Perfumes start at just $29 per bottle, and you have so many different scents to choose from, including this new wellness collection. So go check them out, linked in the description down below. Alright guys, let's get dancing!
I'm a baddie, baddie, pretty little risky baddie. 모든 절대로 되라지, catch me if you can. Baddie, 나는 없어 거기 이미 어차피 못 찾을 테니 catch me if you can. Nothing with the regulars, 내 뒤에는 blue-blood runs. 더 솔직하게 말해줘, 착한 척은 지겨워. 우리 앞선 룰이 의미 없었어 굳이 유행이 돌고 돌아도 난 그 틀에 없어 이미. I wanna break, I wanna kick, 뛰어놀래 시끄럽게 다채로 매려 수많은 변치 위에도 빛을 발하지. 답답한 건 벗어 던져 고개 숙일 필요 없어. I'm a baddie, baddie, pretty little risky baddie. 뭐든 될 대로 되라지, catch me if you can. Baddie, 나는 없어 거기 이미 어차피 못 찾을 테니 catch me if you can. 내 판단을 믿어 난 할 말도 많아 참 모자이크 없이 spit it out. 난 지가 잊혀봤어 그 누구도 can bite me. 원한다면 come try me 언젠 you're invited. 난 thriller so villain 생각할 시간에 저지르는 게 my motto. I'm a baddie, pretty little risky baddie. 뭐든 될 대로 되라지 catch me if you can. Baddie 앞서서 내 길을 막지 가뿐히 날아올 테니 catch me if you can. I'm a baddie, 어딜 그리 바삐 가니 뭐든 될 대로 되라지 catch me if you can. Baddie 나는 없어 거기 이미 어차피 못 찾을 테니 catch me if you can. 아니 뭐든 될 대로 되라지 catch me if you can. Baddie 나는 없어 거기 이미 어차피 못 찾을 테니 catch me if you can. 시간이 됐어 It's 2 AM 목소리 낮추고 더 속삭여줄래. 이 밤이 좀 더 깊어지면 뭔가 더 솔직해도 될 것 같은 기분이 들어. 있잖아 가끔 난 무척 발칙한 상상을 해. 남들은 절대 모를걸 이 준비 공개 모드야. Off the record night This late night conversation 멈추지 않아. No more time No more kill my vibe This late night conversation 널 견뎌야지 Love me absolutely leave me 날만 더 killing healing 또 봐줘봐 stay the start of the record night This late night conversation 멈추지 않아 No more time No more kill my vibe This late night conversation 잠들지 않아 너의 sign 안아줘 yeah 더 반짝거리는 your eyes 난 하늘을 봐 Off the record night This late night conversation 잠들지 않아
Awesome job, guys. Workout complete. If you want more upper body toners just like this, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. We have our newly added 20-minute ab toning mashup out now, as well as a 20-minute arm toner and 20-minute leg burnout. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.